The pink cover. I think it's called Rejected Sound.
Rejected, Jesus Christ. Ah, Rejected Sounds, bro. And the songs on that, the songs on Rejected Sounds, they crazy, bro. Hey, they crazy. And funny enough, Rejected Sounds, validation, wagabi.
Yeah.
Production, I think, ends again now fail at all.
Okay.
Production, I think, I'll fail again, like all of it. No one. And that's when, like, I got tired. I wanted to learn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because I was working with a whole lot of artists. Had my own equipment, they come record. But not funny enough is I never saw a reason to be doing my own production because I've always been surrounded by greatness, bro. Come on, like for one, and I grew up around nation, so it was all that, bro. But then as it came through, everything just shed light because now he taught me a lot. He taught me most of the things. So you know what I can say when it comes to production and a lot of shit. He literally mentored me. So now I can literally look a few artists, a few producers more. When it comes to this, yeah.
On that Rejected Sound. The project starts with gospel hymn.
Oh, that.
It's a nice song.
Oh, I was drunk, bro, and going through some stuff. Yeah, I was drunk and going through some stuff. Damn, it's so embarrassing. But I'm actually proud that on that. I started on that gospel too because my dad was a pastor before he passed away. Yeah, but he can go jump. My mom is also a pastor. But so I've always had church in me, even though yeah. But I'm still gonna make a whole lot of gospel music. I talk about God a lot in my music, just not Jesus. I don't like that, man.
On that Rejected Song, there's a song called Nangimbe.
Oh, Nangimbe.
Yeah. I think that beat is inspired by
Mandoza.
50
Yeah.
Cent.
It's Mandoza inspired that, man. And funny enough, I asked Acid to sample that beat. Hey man, I was going to the shop. I was in my hood, going to the shop, and then that ding 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 ding. So I was talking to Acid at that time. I was like, hey dog, can you please sample 50-50 for me, dog? It's like 50-50 white dog. It's like hit a kids out to us what. And Acid said, okay, cool, I'll sample it for you. And 2-3 hours later, comes a WhatsApp message. Like there's the beat. I'm like, oh shit. It's like ding 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 ding. Dog. And he made the whole beat, dog, in less than 2-3 hours after him. Yeah, it took him literally. I think it took him an hour and a half or some shit. When he remembered and sent it to me. Yeah, and then it took me I think 3, 4, 5 years to finish the song. Didn't even write for that song.
Yes.
I didn't even write for that song. I only know certain parts of that song, bro. I'm trying to remember. I'm trying to remember the chorus, bro. Shit. I got a two-skate from guys. I get a TT, but they got a more. Yeah. Hey, dog. Was something that happened and I was go shop on that this other guy and I'm to skate that I was so now I'm get at this in there like nah dog Paul at all get shy with a shy Lord and then that came and then I got to the crib, recorded that song. Hey, nine in bed. Yeah.
Can you just tell me more of the songs from the Project Sound tape?
I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to do this, bro, cause shit, I don't remember. I don't remember the names of the songs, bro. It's embarrassing. Oh, like too much music, man. Too much music, bro. Yo, there's Rejected Sounds, the validation, you know? Yeah. And then there's Double Cup. Double Cup. Double Cup. It was inspired by. Wabona, man. I took it a bit. No one. So this chick, I was sipping lean with Kenny Zoops. And then this chick came to us, I talk about like a cup, so we can tell that no one. And then I can tell that, and then she wanted to she wanted another cup for her only double that. Because one of the last year is suddenly no one, because Kenny Zeus, you know, he goes 10 cups. Yeah, let's see, to funny double cup, Miss Independent, because after that, we literally went clubbing with her, dog, and she spoiled us, bro. She spoiled us. Yeah, and the whole song was about that day. Yeah, how it started with the double cups and then going to the club, and then she spoiled us, fucked up. Only to realize this woman is actually independent. She was just looking for a good time. Yeah. Now, you know, some guys will be like, this chick, that's how that came about, dog. And give thanks to Selassie, was inspired by some dumb shit, I don't know. My never went to visit Zolo. Kisate, come on, Habli. That's when I stopped smoking Habli. And then I got high as fuck, bro. Like I'm on studio on Kada, dog. Hey, yo, I got high as fuck. Yo, I found myself dog, like, but it's we at the apartment, bro. Looking around. I was high as fuck. Inspired in that song. And then 10 June came my girlfriend's birthday. That's the name of the song. Yeah, under the influence of alcohol is inspired by my everyday lifestyle, dog. I'm always drinking something. But once that guy is always drinking something. Or something. Yeah. And then Authentic K2S was inspired by my endorsement. And that's when we just got a this license thing. Yeah, and then it became Authentic K2S. Not like these brands Tablon Fontaine, Mototaba etc. brand dog. Hage deal already skipper 50 rand Mr. Price, that no sprinter at the Tarant 250. Nah, K2S is actually authentic, dog. It's authentic K2S wear, bro. It's authentic, dog. So that's
the brand.
It's a brand from Bloom.
Okay.
Yeah. This other guy, Okay. Yeah. That's how that came. Malimelo Mochana is inspired by Naluawon, my little nigga. I perform with that little nigga a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. Was inspired by him. He actually came with a hook. Funny enough, dog, he came with a chorus, but unfortunately he couldn't be on the song because his vocabulary was still dumb. Yeah, I think he's 9 years now or 10. And at that time he was still young. Vocabulary I mean so he couldn't like nah dog, dog. Yeah, that's basically I was trying to do me here, dog. This project, I was just doing me, bro. Hey, I need to listen to myself more, bro. I need to listen to myself more. Yo, boy validation, Dimaga is my mom's name. Juiced up. I got in a fight with a homie of mine and I felt like he just juiced me up so that I can go back on him. You know what? I actually recorded a song for him. It's not a diss song. I don't want to say a diss track because diss track will let me to shit him. Yeah, on that song, I don't know if it makes sense. Yeah, you know what? And then I love it featuring Baby Mama. Yeah, Baby Mama inspired in that. Mushroom Pay. Yeah, Mushroom Pay is when I literally fell in the stage, right? I was performing. I'm very hyperactive. So I was jumping, turning up there, bro. Candy stage, you are one. Platform that thing, I can say, but the stage is strong. I don't know if I was jumping too high or what. And then I ended up coming on the stage. I want to get happy, so those people had to come get me out of there. But now I was still performing. Hey, I remember that day, bro. Hey, yeah, niggas I know was when I rejected a deal from a record label from Joburg.
Okay.
I'm just grateful for the person on a level back at that point in time, because better now. I'm broke with my dignity in my pocket rather than being rich with your awards. It's bullshit. You know, that's basically those two projects, bro.
NIR Media, the future of entertainment.
They got it,